Hey everyone, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. I hope that you all are doing well. For today's video, I have my blow dry routine. This is my fairly new blow dry routine. It is using my new favorite blow dryer, which you guys will see in a little bit. But this has cut my wash day routine like in half, you guys. It's crazy. It's so easy, so quick. I don't know what I've been doing without this tool my whole life, honestly. If you guys didn't know, I'm about 3 months post relaxer right now because my hairstylist moved to Florida. So I'm currently on the search for a new hairstylist. So in the meantime, I'm wearing wigs. If you guys didn't notice, this is a wig. I will have a video on how I did this install coming probably next week, depending on when I upload this video. I am all discombobulated in my head right now, so I have no idea when this is going up, honestly. But I am on the wig gang now. Gang. I'm really excited. I have been loving trying out new wigs for you guys. And this is my first install, so be nice, be gentle to your girl, okay? Thank you. But yeah, this is how I blow dry my hair once I've washed it, conditioned it. I can also show you guys my co-wash routine because that's something that I'm also doing now, that I am working out. Who is she? She's working out. She's wearing wigs. 2021 doesn't know what's good. I'm coming for its neck, okay? So, yeah, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you like hair content here on my channel, definitely let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I will have a link to the blow dryer down below if you guys are interested in it. I picked mine up from Walmart. It was under $40, and it has literally changed my life. I will have the products that I show you guys also linked down below if I can. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say. I'm sorry for the long intro, but let's go ahead and get into my blow dry routine. Alright everyone, so we're going to get right into it. I have washed my hair with my regular stuff. Sorry, my thing is falling. My Care, color whatever shampoo and conditioner, my Jamaican black castor oil, Shea Moisture line, deep conditioner, and now we're ready to blow dry. So I let my hair sit in the towel for about 45 minutes to an hour or so, just to get everything nice and a little bit more dry. I actually need to get a comb and 2 clips, so I'll be back. I just use this Y2 comb here. I think I got it from Walmart. I'm pretty sure the brand is Conair. So I just go ahead and split my hair in half, haphazardly, not perfect at all. Clip this side out of the way while we work on one side of our hair. So these are the products that I like to use. I love my Cream of Nature Strengthen and Shine leave-in conditioner spray. It's so good. I love it so much. Is it focusing? I don't think it is. Super good. I'm obsessed with it. Been using it for years, so I just go ahead, stretch that all over my hair like so. Perfect. And I do go ahead and just start combing that through, starting at the ends and working my way up the hair. Now I go in with my Melanin Hair Care Multi-Use Softening Leave-In Conditioner. I love this conditioner so much. It smells so good, and it's super hydrating. So I just use a pump of that for one side of my hair, making sure to get it all distributed. Sometimes I even take it in half, put it in there like so, and then I put a little bit of this shea butter and coconut oil serum from Trader Joe's in there as well, just like not even a pea size amount, because this is like a little, it weighs my hair down a little bit. So I don't love it, but I'm trying to use it up. And then lastly, since we're going in and blow drying our hair, we're going in with this IC Fantasia Heat Protector Straightening Spray for smooth, straight, shiny, silky hair. I picked this up from the beauty supply store. It's super good. I love the way it smells, actually. And I feel like it works super well. It smells like super fruity and tasty. So I'm going to go ahead one more time in with my wide tooth comb to get anything out. And now let's get into blow drying. So before we get started, I want to go ahead and talk about my blow dryer that I have been using the last like 2 weeks, I want to say. And I'm in love with it. It makes my hair routine so much faster and I love it. And so this is it. This is the Andis blow dryer. Andis blow dryer. It looks like this. I actually saw, if you guys are really into YouTube, the girl Kayla Lachey. I've been watching Kayla for years and years and years, and she used this blow dryer, and I would always see it, and I'm like, oh my god, that blow dryer looks so good and would be so good for my hair, because you guys know if you have a comb attachment on like your regular blow dryer, sometimes it falls off, it just doesn't stay on, and it's really, really complicated to use sometimes. So I went ahead and picked this one up because my hair is pretty thick right now because I need a relaxer. So I'm trying to just get my new growth as straight as possible right now. And I have started wearing wigs, which I'm really excited to show you guys that video. I think that video will probably be up next week of how I lay my wigs and like trying to learn how to like do like the whole wig thing. I'm really excited for that video as well. So I've just been honestly blow drying my hair and then just cornrowing it to put under my wigs, which has been super fun to do, to try out all different types of wigs here on my channel. I'm really excited to try those out for you guys, but that's besides the point. So this blow dryer is super good. It comes with a whole bunch of different like attachments. It comes with this one, a wider tooth one, I believe. Yeah, it comes with this one. It comes with like a brush attachment. So if you guys like love the Revlon brush, it comes with that. And then it comes with like a really, really skinny tooth comb. I haven't used this one yet. I think that this one works really well because it has like a little bit wider teeth, so it's not as like pulling on the hair, I guess you could say. So I like this size the best for myself. But yeah, I've really been loving it. I just go in sections. I don't do anything crazy. It's really simple to use. I think anybody can use it, honestly. And yeah, so it has a off, low, medium, high, and cool here on the bottom. It's really simple to use. I love doing the cool shot after I do a section. It just makes everything seal and lock in. So I take about yay big sections because you don't want to do it too small, or else the hair just kind of blows around and doesn't really do much for you. So I just go ahead and clip up the rest, and I make sure that this is detangled. I'm sorry also if it sounds like I'm rushing, but I have Pizza Hut downstairs waiting for me, and I am just so excited. You have no idea. It's Sunday, it's pizza day, I'm so excited. But yeah, so I wanted to explain what I do before I go ahead and turn on the blow dryer because it is pretty loud. So I just go ahead, I use it on medium. I don't go up to high because I feel like high is like super hot. But even though we did use the heat protector, I just don't like to use high on like any of my hair products, my hair tools, I mean. So I'm going to go ahead and blow dry my hair now. Okay guys, so this is what my hair looks like blowed out. It looks so good. I love the way this makes my hair feel. It makes it feel super soft, and like it still has a lot of body to it and everything like that. I am obsessed with this blow dryer. It's just so good. and it's super detangled because it's the comb and everything like that. And like if I was wearing my hair out, I feel like I could wear it like this and like not even have to straighten it afterwards. So yeah guys, I picked this up from Walmart. I believe it's definitely under $40 and it is so good. So I'll go ahead and show you guys again what I do. So I go ahead and section the triangle just a little bit so that you're not blowing into tangles. And then go on medium. That's low. This is medium. And start to blow dry. And that is that, you guys. That's really all I do to blow dry my hair. I don't do anything crazy or dramatic. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my hair, and I will come back and show you guys what it looks like when I'm all done. Alright everyone, we are done blow drying our hair. It took me about 20 minutes to do all of this head of hair that we have going on here. It looks honestly insane. But yeah guys, that is really how I blow dry my hair. It's super easy. It's cut my wash day like down to a literal quarter of what it used to be. If you guys like these types of videos, I love filming them for you guys. Get ready for a lot more hair content here on my channel. Like I said earlier, I'm going to experiment with some wig content around here. I am so excited. But yeah, now I'm just gonna honestly go ahead and braid down my hair and pop on a wig and film another video for you guys. But I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know how you blow dry your hair. I used to sit under the dryer with like the Rolos and everything, and I still will occasionally do that. Probably like maybe I'll do like half and half, like half of the month, 2 Sundays out of the month like sitting under the dryer, and then half of the month 2 other days do like this type of thing. Oh, I'm sorry. But I also have gotten back into co-washing my hair. So if you guys would like to see a video of how I co-wash my hair, because I've been doing like a midweek co-wash type of thing as well. So yeah guys, let me know what you want to see. And I think that's all I have to say. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next one very soon. Bye.